over there, right next to the first aid group. Search and rescue team, you have your separate.
Nice. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, sao sao kìa. Sao sao.
I will request fire extinguisher group to make a round of the building. Make a round of the building with your extinguisher. Please. Okay, where is our fire extinguisher group? Oh, number six. And I got some fire over here. So with this, I want to thank once again all the members that we have assigned to various departments. And one more thing.
Touch the leg, everyone. So today, on behalf of our school social science committee member, we successfully conducted our school safety preparedness drill, which is earthquake drill, instructed or guided by our civic office. So on this day, 4th of April, why we are commemorating the earthquake drill. The reason behind this is we have to go back more than 100 years ago. On this very day, in district of Kangra, on 4th of April, there was a huge earthquake, magnitude of 7.8, and killed almost 20,000 people. And out of all these 20,000 people, many of these people are also students. The victims are also students. So therefore, we thought, or the school have decided to conduct a drill to make sure the students are well prepared before such incident or such a situation come across. So prior to this today, the main earthquake drill, we also conducted practice earthquake drill, which was on 3rd of April, to make sure there is a smooth response from the student and all the respective teams as well. And today, so according to our plan, or as we have expected. The students have participated so well, and all the teams have participated so well and performed their duties very good. So I'm really glad, and I want to thank all the members once again and all the students on behalf of our committee, social science committee. Once again, thank you everyone.